Hi everyone! In today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to delete assigned rooms for your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 using the Xiaomi Home App. If you just want to reset your zones, this is how you do it. First, go ahead and open the Xiaomi Home App on your device and select your vacuum. On the main dashboard, you'll see your current map with your assigned rooms. In this case, we have 3 rooms set up. To start editing, look for the menu icon in the corner. It looks like 3 small lines. Tap on that and then select Navigation Settings from the list. Now, tap on the Edit button. You'll notice a red circle with a minus symbol appear on your assigned rooms. Simply tap the red symbol on the room you wish to remove. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you don't delete it by accident. Just tap Delete to confirm. And that's it. Your room assignment has been removed. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Xiaomi smart home tips. Thanks for watching.